Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a fundraising form using paymentform.io. Paymentform.io is a form-based checkout platform that allows you to create payment forms for various use cases, including donations, fundraising, e-commerce products, events, memberships, and much more. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new form. First, click the Create Your First Form button. Now you will see all available modules here. Then select the fundraising template and click the Use Template button. Step 2. Configure fundraising setup. In the Fundraising Setup tab, select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Define your default donation amounts by clicking the plus icon, and set the minimum fundraising amount and target fundraising goal according to your requirements. You can also specify an end date for your campaign. Enabling the custom amount option, it allows donors to enter any amount they wish to donate. Under the fundraising closed message settings, you can customize the message that will be displayed when your fundraising campaign ends or successfully reaches its goal. Step 3. Add your form fields. So go to the Fields tab. Here, you will find 10 plus different field types. You can choose and add any fields to your forms to collect the necessary information from each donor. Step 4. Customize the settings. Navigate to the Settings tab. In the Form Settings section, upload a header image, and also add a compelling header title along with a short description that clearly explains what the donation will support. Next, you can customize your form's theme settings, including the font family, colors, background, and accent color according to your preferences. Now, select your preferred payment gateway from the drop-down options to receive donation payments. If you have not connected a payment gateway yet, go to the Payment Gateway page and connect your preferred payment gateway. Here, you will find all the payment gateways currently supported by paymentform.io. In this tutorial, I will use Stripe as an example. You can connect multiple payment gateways to your paymentform.io account and then choose the required gateway inside your individual forms. This gives your users more payment options when they complete a payment. To learn how to connect other payment gateways with paymentform.io, check out the related tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Before connecting Stripe, make sure you have a Stripe account. For testing, you can use Stripe test mode before accepting real payments. The setup process is quick. Click the Connect button, sign in to your Stripe account, authorize the connection, and your Stripe account will be connected to paymentform.io in just a few steps. Next, write a short, warm confirmation message that donors will see after successfully completing their payment. If you want to display your organization's terms and conditions directly on the form, go to the Terms and Conditions section and enable the Terms and Conditions option. Next, you can also set up automated emails for both donors and your team. Donors will receive an immediate confirmation, and you will be notified of every new contribution. In the Invoice Builder, you can customize the invoice sent to each donor by including your organization's name, details about what the payments support, and any tax-related information your donors may need. You can integrate tools like MetaPixel or Google Analytics to track your form visits, donor behavior, and donation activity. These tools help you understand which channels drive traffic to your fundraising form and identify where potential donors may drop off during the process. If you want to keep your fundraising form private, you can easily enable the password protection option. This is perfect for internal donations, private communities, invite-only campaigns, or forms shared exclusively with selected donors. In the Form Status section, you can keep the form enabled, disable it at any time, or set it to expire on a specific date for campaigns with a deadline. After configuring all the settings, click on the Save and Preview button. Step 5. Share your fundraising form. So, navigate to the Publish tab. Here, you will find 4 different ways to share your fundraising form: share link, embed code, share on social media, and share via QR code. Now, I am using the share link option to publish this form. Here, you can see that your fundraising form is fully set up and ready to start collecting payments. Now, I am filling out the required information and making a small donation to support the affected victims. Step 6. Track and manage all donor information and payment records. Once the payment is successful, a confirmation message will appear, and the donor will receive a secure magic login link via email. Now open your payment form submission dashboard. Here, you can view all incoming contributions-related information provided by donors, including their name, email, phone number, message, transaction amount, and invoice details, all organized in one place without the need for a separate spreadsheet or CRM. Finally, donors will also receive a detailed payment confirmation email containing their payment summary and invoice information. Your online fundraising form is now fully ready to collect payments smoothly and securely with paymentform.io. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.